Hey folks, this is my website. It's FrugalPrepper.rocks. It's just a little work in progress. It runs on my own Rocky Linux server in the basement across my cable modem. And it's just something that I've written in Notepad++. I've wrote out the HTML and I made a website. It's not a big fancy website, but I try to put lots of information on here. If you want to see my garden live stream camera, you can go garden live stream camera, click that link, and it will come up with my garden live stream camera, and it'll automatically start to play the garden live stream camera. And you can see me out here working like during the day and the evenings. You'll see me out in the garden quite a bit working. You can also come down here and click the HD button to see it in full 1080p. And it has sound as well if you want to listen to me work. And so this is my live garden cam. We'll come back up here to the home page. But I just want to show you, like, it's got links to my Facebook group, my Amazon store, my Rumble channel where I post all my guns, ammo, and reloading videos. It has my vintage canning section on how to use these old canning jars. And how to can with them, as well as some copies of the Ball Blue book and USDA canning guide from 1965, and where you can get the jar rubbers, all that kind of stuff. So if you're into any vintage canning, that's a good site to go to. I have my putting food by, which just talks about how to dehydrate and how I can and how I do all kinds of stuff to put food by and save it back. And I have my carnivore lifestyle. This is just everything I've done with the carnivore diet. Now, I'm not a pure carnivore. I still eat some veggies. But I'm mostly a carnivore. And I've lost a lot of weight. And I've gotten really healthy. And just the things. And there's also, I had my stroke in the middle of this diet, and there's a lot of information on here about the carnivore diet did not cause my stroke. And I actually have a CAC score of 0, and I actually have my CTA scan showed 100% no blockages whatsoever, and I'm 51 years old. This is me going to ride the beast after I had my stroke. I went through my physical therapy, my recovery. This is me riding the beast at Kings Island with my family for the first time on a roller coaster after I had my stroke. And just the roller coasters, you click on these links, it'll take you some POVs of the roller coasters, and some of my best carnivore videos are on here. And sharing and saving seeds. Now, I'm completely out of seeds. I plan to have some more this fall, but I have my different seeds on here, and you could actually email me and I will send you the seeds if I have them, and they will be 100% free. I eat the cost of the stamp, but you can make a little donation to me. And there's a link down here to donate to the Seed Saving Project, I believe. Yeah, it's right here, donate now. So you can send me $1 or $2 to help me buy the envelopes and help me buy the stamps. And then basically, this is a picture of my server here at the bottom that's running in my basement, and my other channel, Network Engineers Playground. And I have a link here to donate to Rocky Linux. It's one of my favorite distros. It's what I use for my server running this website. So yeah, anyway, this is just my website. I kind of wanted to tell you guys about it. I have a lot of people that ask, like, what about mid-lighter gardening? Well, under my mid-lighter gardening section, you can see where I go over all, building a grow bed, and the 6 laws of plant growth: light, temperature, water. Plants have to be able to breathe, right? And they have to be fed. They have to have good nutrition. and uh, don't make them compete. Don't make them compete against pests and disease, weeds, critters, you know, and then all the reference materials. Here's a link to the free Mittlighter gardening book. This just covers soil beds, not grow boxes, but it still has a lot of good information in it. And just a lot of things. And there's also a link here where you can get ammonium nitrate, which you can make bombs out of, so they don't allow you to just buy it in large quantities, but you can buy small quantities of it for gardening still, but they don't sell it at your major big box stores anymore. And ammonium nitrate is the plant's favorite form of nitrogen. It's the fastest acting. And there's all that. And then the other thing I've done is right here is plant deficiency information. So here I have pictures of plants and what the common deficiency symptoms are. A lot of people think they have blight, they have some kind of disease, some kind of fungus, and they may, but most of the time it's a deficiency. So I put links to what plants look like when they have these deficiencies and what the proper treatments are. The Mittlighter gardening book goes through it, but they just describe it in words and they don't show a lot of pictures. So I tried to put a few pictures in here. However, if you want the ultimate guide to what plants look like when they have deficiencies, for sure, you want to get the Garden Doctor books. It's a 3-part book series that goes through it with detailed pictures of all different kinds of plants and different deficiencies. And you know what the treatments are for those deficiencies. So I tried to build that up a little bit, and that's my website. And it's a constant work in progress. So there will be new sections added to this as time goes on. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. This is Tom, your Frugal Prepper.